UI or UX development. Lecture 3, Information Architecture and Wireframing. Introduction to Information Architecture, Card Sorting and Site Maps. Wireframing Tools and Techniques. Introduction to Information Architecture. Information architecture IA is the process of organizing, structuring, and labeling content in a way that enables effective information retrieval and use. IA involves creating a clear and logical hierarchy of information, which allows users to easily navigate and find what they are looking for on a website or application. It involves understanding the user's needs and designing an interface that meets those needs through the organization and presentation of information. Information architecture is an essential component of user experience design, as it helps ensure that users can find what they need quickly and easily. Card sorting and site maps. Card sorting and site maps are two techniques commonly used in information architecture to organize and structure content on a website or app. Card sorting is a technique used to understand how users categorize information. Users are given a set of cards, each containing a piece of information or content, and asked to group them in a way that makes sense to them. This helps designers to understand how users think about and categorize information, which can then be used to inform the structure of a website or app. Site maps, on the other hand, are visual representations of the structure of a website or app. They show the hierarchy of content and the relationships between different pages or sections. Site maps are useful for planning and organizing content and can be used to ensure that the structure of a website or app is intuitive and easy to navigate. Wireframing tools and techniques. Wireframing is an essential part of the design process, and there are various tools and techniques that designers can use to create wireframes. Some common wireframing tools include 1. Sketch, a popular vector graphics editor that is widely used by designers for creating wireframes and prototypes. 2. Figma, a browser-based interface design tool that allows teams to collaborate in real time. 3. Adobe XD, a vector-based design tool that enables designers to create wireframes, prototypes, and animations. 4. Balsamiq, a rapid wireframing tool that enables designers to create wireframes quickly and easily. 5. Axure, a wireframing and prototyping tool that allows designers to create complex wireframes with advanced interactions and animations. 6. Mockups, a cloud-based design tool that enables designers to create wireframes, prototypes, and diagrams. When it comes to wireframing techniques, there are a few common approaches that designers can use. 1. Sketching. Many designers start the wireframing process by sketching out ideas on paper or a whiteboard. This approach allows designers to quickly iterate and refine their ideas. 2. Low-fidelity wireframes. Low-fidelity wireframes are basic wireframes that focus on layout and content rather than visual design. These wireframes are quick and easy to create and can help designers to quickly iterate and test ideas. 3. High-fidelity wireframes. High-fidelity wireframes are more detailed and include visual design elements such as typography, color, and images. These wireframes can give stakeholders a better sense of what the final product will look like. 4. Interactive wireframes. Interactive wireframes include elements such as clickable buttons and links, which enable designers to test user flows and interactions. Thanks for watching. Wait for more informative video.